Hello friends, my name is Anup. Today I'm going to show you how can you install the ESXi host 6 on VM Workstation 14. So in this video I'm going to cover how can we install the ESXi host and the basic configuration for the network adapter and how we can boot the host and how we can access the ESXi host through VMware VShpere client. Basic configuration of the management IP, and we're gonna test it, and then the installation procedure for VShpere client for management and configuration. Let's start. Okay, so I'm on the VMware.com website. On the left hand side, as you can see, there's a couple of options. Click on downloads. Under downloads here you can go to the free products, trials and demos. Click on VShpere. As you can see, there are a couple of options available: installation and use cases, license and downloads, troubleshooting, and how the procedure to buy it. If you already have an account, you can simply log in with your details, and you can access 60 days trial package. If you don't have account yet, you can simply register, and you can use the free trial 60 days package. On this page you can also see the installation and configuration steps as a base hypervisor, and this is the installation and configuration steps you can refer. Since I already have an account, I did log in and downloaded the package from the website, and it's giving me the 60 days trial to access for my home lab, and so it's already completed. I'm going to deploy on my VMware workstation. Okay, I'm going to use the VMware workstation now. I'm going to be new virtual machine. Click on custom, click next. Okay, so there are different versions. It's version 14.x, 12.x, and you can also go further down 11.x. We're going to use the 14.x as it is now, and click on next. Okay, since I'm going to source the file since it is in the session, so select the file and click on next. I'm going to change the host name or the machine name as DC1, ESXi host 6.0 DC1. Okay, okay, storing the file to my storage VMs, and click on OK. ESXi host DC1, click on next. I'm going to keep as a number of processor as 2 and the core processor as number 1 as 1. The memory I'm going to change is to 8 gig since I have a high-end server, so click on next. Going to use as a bridge networking. This ESXi host currently have only 1 NIC, so I'm going to use as a bridge, and going to keep it as a controller, same as SCSI recommended. Creating a new virtual disk, and the space is going to be 100 gig. Since it is giving me 40 gig, I'm going to change it to 100 gig. Click next. Okay, it's 100 gig now, and click next. Okay, so VMDK file, I'm going to put it on the storage VM. Okay, storage VM, and click save it. Click next, and it's going to be 8 gig, so that's fine. Click on finish. Now it is going to deploy the package. Okay, so it's now booting up. So so what we are doing here, so I created a new virtual machines, and I given the source the package, the installation package to boot this machine. So as you can see, this VMware ESXi host 6.0 it's going to be installed on my VMware workstation. So in this lab I'm using the VMware workstation trial edition for my ESXi host. VMware is offering a trial version for your test lab, and you can create your own lab to make the ESXi host and some virtual machines for your testing and exams. So it's now booting up, and it's going to give you the IP addresses so that you can access the ESXi host and create some management IP and configuration. So as you can see, it doesn't have any IP address at the moment, so we can't access it. Let's press F2 and then put your root username and password, and then it will bring you to the console page or customize page. And you can also change your password as well for your root. So configure management adapter, click on network adapter, and under adapter, as you can see, VMNIC 0 is already connected, and it gives you the Ethernet and MAC address. Now we are going back to the IPv4 addresses. Select the static IP addresses. We're going to assign 172.116.10.10 and 255.255.0. Press enter. You're back to the main management network. Now click on save, click on exit, and it's going to ask you where you want to save it. Click on yes. Okay, so we are going back to the customizations. Now you have to restart the management network. Press 11 OK. Enter OK. This management network has been restarted. Okay, so let's try accessing the ESXi host 172.116.10.10. So when you're accessing the ESXi host for the first time, you need to download the VShpere client for Windows to access it. So since I already completed the download for VShpere client, so it is on my local machine. So let me show you. This is the file which you can which is going to be used for accessing the ESXi host. So if I go here in session, and as you can see, the VShpere vClient all 6.0. Okay, so let's start installation for VMware vClient so that we can access the host. So it's now unpackaging or extracting the package. So this installation is much easier and quicker. You can simply install and access the ESXi host from this software. So it's still going on. Okay, still in extracting. Okay, it's now going to install. Click next. Okay, so it means it says like it's already been installed. So what I'm going to do here, first I need to uninstall it because before preparing this video I tested this package. So let's start again. We're going to install the package. Okay, still going on. So it's extracting the same way. It's unpackaging all the files. Still going on. So this is my video, boot the host for access to web. So this is what we are going at this stage. So click on OK. The installation is going on. This process is much quicker, so probably it will be finished. I accept the terms and conditions and click on accept and click next. It's going to install. Okay, so let's see. The installation is going on. Click on finish. Okay, so installation is completed. To access this device, let me find this application. So go to start and search VMware Workstation. Okay, so into the taskbar, and then it's still not coming up. Let me go back again. VMware Workstation. Okay, right click and then Okay, so is that saying IP address? I need to change it to I have to change the IP 10.10, and I'm going to put this root user and password. Click on login. Ignore. Okay, so now it's logging. It's logging in. Okay, this is the one, and as you can see, this is showing as a 60-day trial version. This is for the first time, and so you can register and download the package, and you can access this software. Now this is where you can deploy multiple virtual machines, and this is going to be very simple way whether you can create a virtual machines, download the trial version. So so what we have covered so far: we downloaded the software from VMware. We also installed the ESXi host, network adapters for VMware and VMware 2. We did configure the management IP, and we installed the VShpere client for management and configuration. So that's it. Thank you.